Do you think he wants to come in? Yes, I'm gonna let him in, don't worry. It's just he's so cute when he like pops up in the window. These are raspberry cheesecake thumbprints. Aren't they cute? I think they are. So I am making a pumpkin gingerbread trifle, and you need, and I'll have the recipe down below for you guys. You need, first off, a lot of vanilla pudding. And you're going to want to dump that right into a bigger bowl. It would save time to put it in a bigger bowl in the first place. But no, I had to dirty up 2 bowls. Okay. Then you want to put in half a cup of brown sugar. Let's see if I can find my half a cup measure. Yep, it's right here. Been doing so much measuring because of all the baking I've been doing. There's a half a cup of brown sugar. Pack it. And then you want, trying to find the right measurement here. Go. Ooh. You want a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then you want to put in a whole thing of pumpkin pie mix. Now, don't get canned pumpkin. It has to be the pumpkin pie mix. I think Libby's is the only one that makes it, as far as I can tell. And it's, how big is it? Is 30 ounces. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to come back and show you the next step. Okay, the next part you want to do is you want to whip your cream. Get a thing of heavy whipping cream, a pint, and whip it up. I like to add a little confectioner's sugar and vanilla to it. The directions for this recipe actually ask for Cocoa Whip, but I don't like Cocoa Whip. I think it's nasty, so I use whipping cream instead. And I just add, like, I don't even measure. I just add a little bit of confectioner's sugar and a tiny little bit of vanilla to it. So it's up to you what you want to do. If you like Cocoa Whip, go ahead and use Cocoa Whip. I mean, if you want to use whipped cream, then use whipped cream. So here's that whipping cream. Whip it up. Now I gotta go get the trifle bowl. So, here's the fun part. We get to put it all together. So, the first part, this is messy. You get to crumble the gingerbread. Now, I made a gingerbread from a package. You can make it homemade if you want. You only need like an 8x8 gingerbread. I think it's Pillsbury that makes a gingerbread mix. You see? It's very messy. So get ready to wash your hands. I know you're listening to me. Wash my hands. So, after that, it's time for the pudding mixture. You just slop that on top. About half of it. And it's okay if it's messy. It's a trifle. It can look messy. Right? Okay. Now it's time for whipped cream. You want a nice layer of whipped cream, half of what you made. Spread that around to the edges. Just a bit more here. So, then another layer of gingerbread. So I'm about to get my hands messy again. Just crumble it up. This is all about layering. If you've never had a trifle before, this is a really yummy one to start off with. Sometimes in the summer, I make one with lemon pudding and strawberries and blueberries. And I also have made a chocolate peanut butter one with Reese's peanut butter cups in it. I know I'm being bad and I took a piece of gingerbread and ate it. This is also best to make the day before. You can hear me. I'll repeat myself in case you couldn't hear me. This is best to make the day before. You can make it on the same day and it'll be fine. But when you make it the day before, it really lets all the flavors sort of meld. It's delicious. Okay, more pumpkin. If you don't have a trifle bowl, I mean, I went and found this actually at the thrift store one day and I was like thrilled. But I used to use just a glass bowl that I had, a big glass bowl. And you could use really any bowl. It's nice to have a glass one so that you can see the layers, because that's super pretty. Okay. My boyfriend is going to want to lick the whipped cream bowl. He loves whipped cream. kind of swirl it around like that. I'm not going to take it completely to the edge because if I do, it'll make a mess. So here's the final look. Sorry, my stovetop's a little messy because I've been cooking so much. My next thing is to clean it up. So there you go, that's Trifle. You can sprinkle some more gingerbread crumbs on top. I've put crystallized ginger on top before. Crumble ginger snaps, whatever you like. So that's it. And it is super, super delicious. I'm telling you, it is so good. If you make this, you will be like, wow. I've made it Thanksgiving before too, but it's become more of a Christmas thing now with me. So, enjoy, and I hope you're having a happy holiday. Thanks for watching.